Let's start the fusion. Bull and Raven. A formidable blend of raw power and cunning intelligence, evoking the primal strength of a bull and the strategic prowess of a raven. Tiger and hawk. An amalgamation of stealth and precision, embodying the fierce agility of a tiger and the keen eyesight of a hawk. Lion and eagle. A majestic fusion of strength and grace, embodying both the regal power of a lion and the soaring majesty of an eagle. Gorilla and owl. A formidable union of brawn and wisdom, merging the immense strength of a gorilla with the insightful perception of an owl. Bear and crow. Formidable amalgamation of rugged resilience and cunning intellect, blending the sheer power of a bear with the craftiness of a crow. Rhinoceros and falcon. A striking fusion of armored might and aerial agility, embodying the sturdy force of a rhinoceros and the swift grace of a falcon. Cheetah and peacock. A captivating synthesis of speed and beauty, merging the lightning-fast agility of a cheetah with the vibrant elegance of a peacock. Puma and vulture. A unique convergence of stealth and scavenging, embodying the silent prowling of a puma with the keen-eyed opportunism of a vulture. Deer and parrot. A graceful blend of gentleness and vividness, combining the delicate elegance of a deer with the colorful charm of a parrot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.